Hello, this is Roland. Today I want to introduce you to our third-party touchscreen support, meaning to our devices, being it a EQ codec, a Roombar Pro, which will be this one here, Roombar, Codec Pro. You can connect a third-party touchscreen via USB. Quickly, you simply connect this USB cable to the touchscreen and to the codec, and then you have a touch-enabled device, basically a board device. We have also a Board Pro with 55-inch and 75-inch available. If you would like to choose a different camera than what is built into the Board Pro, or if you would like to have a different screen size, then you can connect any of our devices to a touchscreen of your choice. They're not all fully supported, but we have tested models and we have certified models, which I will link to you in the description. Let's have a look at how this device performs as a touch device. One option is to have it as a digital signage device as well. So digital signage is linked to the device, and then you can basically point it to the room designer, which we show here. You can start designing your meeting rooms from this workspace designer straight away, and skip all, and you get a pretty good solution out of it. So that's one of the options. So digital signage is possible with this, and you can interact with this device then as well. So you can also use it as a video device. So we have now a few meetings set up here, so you can join the WebEx meeting, and we have the video device shown here as well. There we go. So we have our 9 participants in the meeting, and we have the various layouts available as we always have. For example, here the grid view, the stack view, prominent view, and you also have the self view here available too. Of course, we can share content from the laptop into the meeting. So there is a laptop connected via USB-C. You can also connect a iPad, Android phone, iPhone to the device via USB-C or AirPlay, whatever. And then we can go to sharing. We have a preview on how the content looks like. We share this content in the call, and then we have the participants on top here and can see the content. Also, we have the possibility to annotate in the call the content. So let's annotate this one here. So we can talk about the Zoom feature available as enhanced in Teams mode, or the Zoom feature fully featured in RoomOS mode, and can also draw anything else we would like on the content here. Let's stop the annotation and have a look at the various layouts. So we have now the stack layout, where you can see the content as main, side by side. You have the participants showing on one side and the content on the other side. We have the option to show prominent, so the content large and also the last speaker being large. And we have the floating option as well, so you can basically move the video participants around as you like, and then have the best possible view for you. So that's the content sharing, as mentioned, also possible via WebEx Share, AirPlay or Miracast. That's all available. Besides the normal content sharing, we can also share a whiteboard, for example. So I've been working on a whiteboard recently. I talked about interoperability here. Now it is shown here locally as the whiteboard. I can basically resize the whiteboard. I can move the participants around where I would like to have them, and I can define what I would like to see larger and smaller here. So that's quite cool. Plus, I can also, of course, go ahead and share the whiteboard in the call. So let me do that, because so far it was only local, but now it's also shared in the call, and participants can also add their content to it. Let me do a tick with the WebEx. So we saw whiteboard sharing, we saw content sharing, and I would also like to show the WebApp sharing. So I have a WebApp opening up here. This is our office space. Let's see how our office is being used. So we go ahead and see, okay, we have certain meeting rooms. We have certain meeting rooms which are busy. You get this price scan in here. We see in the Spaces app how many people are sitting in there. And we can also share this web app in the call. So other participants can share what I used as a web app. So that was it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it helped. I hope it is useful to see that we can connect third-party touchscreens to our devices. There are tested ones, certified ones, and there are some which are basically just working. I think it's just important to mention that please check the user interface, how people are using it, to make sure that it is best for your case.